Hi, welcome back. So I don't know if you love my makeup today, but I did try to pop out my cheekbones a little bit and make them. I tried some contouring. No, what I do, I just put on my makeup, basic foundation. I'm not a big fan of powder, but I can put on some light powder and I'm good to go. So I don't normally like contour or put some like make my cheekbones pop up so much because naturally I got the cheekbones, so I don't have to really enhance them so much. So today I'm going to just show you how I apply my lashes. Like you can say, just have on some basic eyeshadow. I always love to keep it simple and sexy. To me, simple is sexy. So these lashes are from Supreme Luxury Beauty. My mirror is in front of me here, so I may not be looking directly at the lens. So, and I'm loving this makeup and the way it has come out. So normally when I'm wearing my lashes, I'm going to use these lashes from Supreme Luxury Beauty. So I'm going to show you how I basically apply them. So mostly my lashes, that's two ways. You can put the glue on your eyelash. I've already trimmed it to fit my eye size. Always try out, you try and put your eyelash and see how you want your eyelash to be looking out. So that's my eyelash. That's how I've just put it on top of my eyelashes to just show you. So what I do with my lashes, I love to put glue, not on the strip, lash strip, but I love to put it on my eyelashes. So most times I don't put anything on my eyelashes. I leave it plain and I just see them on my eyelashes. But today what I'm going to do is, let me just put some light color on my eyelashes. So I'm going to go in with I'm going to use my palette. I mean, everyone should have a palette. Get you some eyeshadow palette. I mean, I use this for so many different things, but mostly my lashes, instead of putting the liquid liner or anything like that. If you like that, you can use that. If you want to use a pencil, yes, that's okay, but I use my palette. So I go in with some black and I'm going to apply it on top of my eye. I just want a base for my a simple base for my, and I do that mostly because I don't want my lashes to be showing and my eyelids to be showing. I cover that, I make that black because when I put my lashes, they're going to be black, so I want them to match with my eyelashes so that I don't look crazy. So here I've put, okay, you can put if you want a wing, but I love my simple makeup. So, and when I'm putting, I use this pencil. I use it so much. It's my basic pencil. I use it for everything, most cases, when it comes to my eyes. Now I think that's enough for me. Now for my beginners, if I told you a beginner in overly trying to make up, or you trying to adventure with makeup, I have a tip for you. First and foremost, get you a basic look that you love. That basic look is your go-to look. That's easy for you to do and make up at any time. So in most cases, I love this eye color shadow, so I don't do much. It's like some pinkish burgundy, a little bit. I don't know what the name of that color is, but that's my go-to look. It's easier for me to do, so After that, I do this on a daily. So I'll get my glue. This is the Duo. It's very good. It's been nice to me. I love it. And then I'll go ahead and apply the glue on my lashes. But before I do that, I go and put some mascara on my lashes again, since I just moved in. I put on some mascara on my lashes. So, and this helps my lashes get a little bit more defined, so I know how I sit my eyelashes. So here we go. I'm looking good. I mean, that's good enough. So let me apply my glue, my eyelash glue. I'm using the Duo Lash Glue. You can get it from your beauty supply. So trust me, I may not be looking in the mirror because I'm trying to look in. That's it. I'm glue popping up here, but that will clear. This is a clear glue, so don't worry about it showing on your lashes. So I go ahead and apply. I love to start from the back. I'm putting the glue very close to my lashes, behind the lashes. I've put that a little bit far. I'm going to put just behind my lashes and in front here. I mean, in almost cases your lashes are standing, they'll be standing from inside here. You need them to look as natural as possible. So make sure that front bit of your eyebrow is of your eyelashes is nice. So what I go ahead and blow it up. So as you can see, it's drying up. So I'm going to go ahead and have my lashes. I mean, you can use whatever you know how to use, but I love to use my hands. So here it is. You're going to see this. There is no glue. If you're going for a very long stay and then you need to have it on for so long, I mean, I wear my lashes, I'm going to have it for a few hours and they'll be off because I'm not going nowhere. I'm staying in the house, maybe making some content. They'll be right here. So I'll have this look in most of my content today that I'm going to make. So I go ahead and you can see, so it's a little not yet so clear. I want to hold it and tuck it down. I'm so interested in that beginning of the eye, like you can see. So that's it. That's one eye. So I'm going to go ahead and, yeah, this is how I wanted the lash to look. That's one eye. That's me with and without cheese. So please get you some lashes from Shrimp Luxury Beauty. I mean, these lashes are reusable. You can use them up to 27 times. Like you see, I didn't get me a new pair. That is some lashes I've been using for a minute, you know. Yes, so we are not wasting money on lashes. They're like $10, $8. You can get some lashes. So please get you some lashes, and they have free shipping on them. So get you some lashes. You can get this look. Let me apply my second lash. I've really taken a minute because I was trying to explain, but I know this is still not very dry, so let me apply. You make sure you put the lash as close as possible to your natural lashes. Try to make them identical twins. Okay, twins. I know it's not easy to have them identical all the time, but practice makes perfect. Try to make them twins. Like you see, you can't tell, can you? No, they won't know. Look at the beginning of my lashes. Oh yeah. Yes, they won't know. They won't know. Yeah, so that's how I apply my lashes. I'm going to go ahead and just finish up my look. I'm left with my lips. I won't do much, just some gloss, and you see my look. So that's how I apply the lashes. I hope this was helpful. There is another way of applying your false lashes, but I love this. This is my best way of applying my lashes, but check out the other way you can apply your lashes. Thank you for subscribing. Bye bye.